Hello dear fans. How to multiply flowers. Flowering plants are the largest group of flora, including most grasses, shrubs, and trees. About 250,000 species of flowering plants are known. In the process of maturation, all representatives of this group have a special reproductive organ, a flower. Instructions. Step 1. Basically, flowering plants are pollinated by insects, and they're strictly defined species. For example, only heavy hairy bumblebees are capable of opening clover or sage flowers, and the hoverflies with sucking proboscis are the only ones who can get to the nectaries of geraniums. Step 2. The flowers release nectar and attract pollinators with their smell and color. When insects collect nectar, pollen grains adhere to them, some of which then fall on other flowers. After pollination, the flower withers, the petals fall off, and a fruit with seeds develops in its place. The seeds ripen and are carried by the wind, water, birds, animals, as well as people in cultural gardening. This seed reproduction is called sexual. Step 3. Sexual reproduction of flowering plants is most optimal, since seeds are formed almost always. The disadvantage of this method of reproduction is the difference between the characteristics of the new plant and the mother. This usually concerns discoloration. In ornamental horticulture, seed propagation is usually used when growing annual and biennial plants. Seeds for sowing must have very high sowing qualities, no infection with diseases and pests, germination, size, etc. Step 4. Amateur gardeners propagate flowering plants mainly in a vegetative way. For reproduction in this way, any part of the parent plant is used: root, stem, leaf. During vegetative propagation, the varietal characteristics of the original plant are completely copied: color of flowers, height, etc. Step 5. Vegetative reproduction takes place in various ways. The most popular of these is root suckering. It almost always leads to positive results. Also popular methods are propagation by cuttings, dividing a bush, part of a leaf, offspring, layering, mustache, grafting. The detached part of the parent is planted in a nutrient substrate, where it takes root. Thanks for watching.